How you doing? Mike from Dirtydog here with our Gladiator we have in our garage today with our soft top on it today. And we're here to show you how to install, quick way to show you. This is a headliner we put in for the soft top. And this is for the soft top users that are looking to keep some of the cold climate out. A lot of people in the north, they do still drive their soft top year round. You're not in a climate maybe where you don't want a hard top or you just don't want a hard top. This is a liner that goes in underneath the soft top, and it provides a little dampening for sound, but mostly for the temperature. So a lot of you know when it's really cold, you can feel that cold coming through the soft top. So we've created this little foam liner that just Velcros in place, a really simple job to do, and we're gonna show you the install on that right now. Okay. All right, so the first step to install is in your package, you're gonna have a couple alcohol wipes, and you're gonna have these little adhesive, they call it the Velcro, the soft part of the Velcro, and this is what sticks onto the back side of the cover that goes over top of here. So basically what you want to do is you want to be able to, you have 3 bars that run across here on your soft top. There's one here, the one over top of the sound bar, and then there's 2 in the back. If you see them in the very last one is at the very back edge of the window. And we need to put these Velcros on the bar and accordingly. So inside the bar, we've already got them installed in here. So inside the bar, there's going to be, each bar is going to have a little hole that's going to mark your center point. So that's where you want to put the middle one there in the center point, right in there from there. From there, what you want to do is you can use masking tape, whatever you want to do. Measure from the center point over 20 inches on both sides. So come from here, 20 inches. That's going to be your end point. This is where you want you don't want the Velcro piece on this side going any further over than 20 inches. So mark that 20 inches, take a piece of masking tape, put it on there, and then stick your Velcro on there. Same on this thing. Take 20 inches over from the center, measure over. That's your outside edge of your Velcro that goes adhesive on the top, and you can do that on all the bars all the way across. You can pull the top open if it's easier to get at the center bar because it is sort of difficult to reach at. So before you put these bars on, before you put the Velcro on, take your alcohol wipe where the adhesive is going to go, the adhesive Velcro is going to go. Wipe it, let it dry, put it on, and get them all set up. And get them all installed on the vehicle, get them set up. I'd say leave it for an hour before you put on the actual cover itself. Just get time to set up, especially if you're in the cold weather. It does take time for the adhesive to set up on these things. So sometimes if you put them on too early, you got to reposition it, you're going to pull the Velcro adhesive right off. So put them on, get it set up. And that's the easiest part to get this part done. Not much to it, it's very simple. We'll go on to the next step. Once we have it set up now, we've got them all set up. Now we're going to put it on. So now for this next step, put this on. It is a little easier if you just crack the roof open. So that we're going to pull the roof open. We're going to loosen this off. We're going to push the roof. We don't have to open it right up. We're just going to do it partially so we can get in there. And, oops. We've got our cover already positioned in here. So what you have is you're going to see the underside. This is going to have Velcro hook. There's 4 positions of Velcro hook. The front edge has nothing on it. So that's the edge that comes up here. It's going to tuck in underneath. So what you want to do is you want to take your first row of Velcros, which we have here. You find your center mark. You're going to put it right on the center one. Right on either side. And from there. So now we take the rest of this, put it over top of the sound bar. And we're going to close the roof down before we put the additional ones on because just to get them to line up. So we're going to pull this back down. That's pulled down. We can take this front edge. This front edge is going to tuck in between the metal clamp and the roof, and it's just going to stay in there. So then we just basically go push our way to the back. One bar there. That's the front section. Now we're going to go stick the other pieces down in the back. Okay, so we're set up here in the back seat. As you can see, it's hanging here. So what we've got to do is pretty simple. We're just going to push it up one row at a time. The Velcros will line up nicely if you got everything installed. And then your back one pushes in place. And that's it. It's fully installed. So now what you have is you have a nice barrier between the cold roof and actually probably even the hot roof in the summer as well. And you'll notice when you can feel when you're driving, this stays nice and warm in here. You can put your hands above, you realize how cold it is above there. So, and this does drop the sound decibel, probably about 1, just enough to give you a little quieter ride. But that's it. And it can stay on when you open and close the roof as well. You don't have to take it off. You can leave it on year round if you want. It actually makes a nicer, cleaner look on the inside of the Jeep. Okay, have a great day.